Hey champ, welcome back to Prosperity Tutoring. Today we're diving into some awesome math concepts that'll help you shine in your classes. We're going to break it down step by step and make it super easy to understand. So grab a paper, a pencil, and a calculator, and let's get started.
When we talk about adding and subtracting and multiplying and dividing, what we're really talking about are operations. And operations have an order. In order for a math equation to be solved, the first thing you need to know is your order of operations. The first order of operation is parentheses. For example, let's say you have 1 plus 2 plus 3. Well, the 1 plus the 2 is inside the parentheses. So you're going to execute that one first. So 1 plus 2 is 3, and then everything else outside the parentheses you compute. There's a peculiar situation where you may have a number outside of the parentheses. And you do what's called distributive property, where you distribute the number outside the parentheses into each number inside the parentheses, and you multiply. So 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, and 4 plus 2 equals 6. Now, when it comes to exponents, a lot of people get things confused. Let's say you have 2 to the 4th power. That's what we call an exponent. We call it to the power. So this is to the 4th power, meaning we don't multiply the 2 times the 4. We simply multiply the 2 as many times as the power tells us to into itself. So 2 to the 4th power would be 2 times itself 4 times. That's 2 times 2 times 2. Whereas 4 times 2 equals 8. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. And 8 times 2 is 16. Now, if you need me to explain how multiplication and division works, I have other videos where I break that down. But when in reference to the order of operations, when it comes to multiplication and division, it doesn't matter which one comes first, the division or the multiplication. You just want to follow it from left to right. So let's say you have a situation of 1 times 2 divided by 3. You'll simply execute the multiplication first, only because it's on the left-hand side. In another situation, like 1 divided by 2 times 3, you're going to execute the division first, only because it's on the left-hand side. Addition and subtraction work the same way. So if you have 1 plus 2 minus 3, you execute the addition first. Or if you had 1 minus 2 plus 3, you execute the subtraction first. You go from left to right. Now, I know explaining it sounds real good, but seeing it for yourself makes it an entirely different ballgame. So let's actually put our feet to the fire and actually see how this thing works inside out. So let's say you have an example like 3 parentheses 7 minus 5 to the 3rd power divided by 6 plus 4. Right? Let's try this out. What I want you to do is pause the video, and I want you on your sheet of paper, I want you to write which comes first. So I want you to tell me, does the division come first, which comes second, which comes third, and so on. Take a minute, pause the screen, and write out which comes first, second, third, fourth, fifth, whatever. Take a minute. Go ahead and do it. All right. So the first order of operation being parentheses, we execute any expression inside of the parentheses. So in this particular scenario, we have 7 minus 5. This is an executable scenario. This is an executable expression. 7 minus 5 equals 2. So now that leaves us with 2 to the 3rd power, or 3 times 2 to the 3rd power divided by 6 plus 4. And then the next order of operations is exponents. So this 2 is to the 3rd power. So that means 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. So instead of 2 to the 3rd power, we now write out 8. And that's 3 times 8 divided by 6 plus 4. So now we have multiplication, division, and addition. Well, according to the order of operations, multiplication and division come before addition and subtraction. So the multiplication and division are going to take priority over the division. However, the multiplication is on the left, so we're going to do that one first. So 8 times 3 is 24. That leaves us with 24 divided by 6 plus 4. And now, according to the order of operations, division takes priority over addition, so we're going to divide first. 24 divided by 6 equals 4. And we're left with 4 plus 4. And then lastly, 4 plus 4 equals 8. And we're done.
That's a wrap, champ. Hope you got something out of it. Keep practicing, ask questions, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Failure is education. Success is graduation. If this video was helpful to you, give it a like. If you know someone who could use this video, share it with them. If you want more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or if there's something you'd like to cover next. If you'd like a virtual tutoring session, scan the QR code above or visit prosperunlimited.com/tutoring.
Become a member of the Bard Society, the book club of Prosperity U LLC. Our stories come alive with wealth, inspiration, and positivity. The mission of Prosperity U LLC. Explore our vast categories like self-help, dating, romance murder mystery, and sci-fi action thrillers. Visit prosperunlimited.com and click on books. Become a member, become Prosperity.
Join Kev Prosper as he beats up the bad guys, slays the dragon, and saves the princess. Prosperity Gaming is the new channel of Prosperity U LLC. Watch, follow, subscribe to Prosperity Gaming with Kev Prosper.
Be sure to shop Amazon with Prosperity U LLC. Link in the description.
Ha. P. Do that freaky jam on the beat. Shitty with that butter shit that bone feed. Did you tippy, did you double, do that song sing. Flicky, flicky with some butter, sip that phone thing. If you cheeky, cheddar, check, I get her own cheese. There's a chicken with that head, or this a bitch that won't be with the official with that whole sleeve. Bloody teeth, cheddar, wish that with that long sleeve.
I got racks to the ATM jam. Tell me what you wanna do. I got racks to the ATM jam. Tell me what you wanna do. You a badass bitch. That don't get swallowed in that fat ass bitch. I got racks to the ATM jam. Tell me what you wanna do. I got racks to the